Boom. Oddball. So simple, so cool. Put your headphones on, 'cause this is the ball that makes beats. Loop and record wherever you are. Change sounds and build complex tunes. I'll share it to you, you share it to your friends, and we'll all end up making beats together. Oddball is pressure sensitive. That means you can control the sounds you play with the bounce you make. And if you got the skills, you can connect more balls. There's no perfect way to play this. You just have to do your own thing. Whether you're showing off outside or you're a serious beat maker. And one of the coolest things about it is that you can add effects to your tracks. How mad is that? So take your ball outside, go out on the streets, and lose yourself. This is Oddball, the new way of making beats.
Meet Woohoo Chicken, a cute and cuddly smart speaker with Amazon Alexa built in. Well, are we going to do something or what? What's my schedule for today?
Your commute is about 1 hour.
Call me an Uber right now.
Your Uber will arrive in 2 minutes.
Turn on the robot vacuum.
Okay.
Play my music. How many steps I ran?
You have taken about 13,006 steps.
Turn the fans on.
Oh no. Buy me toilet paper now. Make it 10 rolls.
Okay, order placed.
Change the bedroom temperature to 65 degrees.
Okay,
Lights off, please.
okay.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Introducing Woohoo. It's everything you love with a built-in smart home hub.
Imagine a device allows you to freeze your best moments without breaking your day, with no stress of using invasive technology or screens that distract your mind. That's why we created Clip, a wide-angle Full HD camera to wear like a bracelet. Clip recognizes the art moment and it turns on. Just one tap to take high-quality photos, 2 tap for Full HD video, straight from your wrist. So you can instantly capture your expected moment anywhere at any time. Clip automatically saves your stories. With wireless syncing, you can relive it whenever you want.